Welcome back to Vintage Stitchery Archives. Today we're turning the pages of the WorkBasket November 1949. This issue is such a treasure. It's overflowing with creative projects that capture the warmth and homemaking spirit of the late 1940s. Inside we'll find an elegant crochet tablecloth, a lovely lacy crocheted apron, and a dainty doily pattern, all perfect examples of classic post-war craftsmanship. There's also a knitted handbag, cozy mittens, a child sweater pattern, and a delicate tatted edging for those who enjoy fine thread work. I especially love the crocheted pot holder, practical and beautiful, just the way vintage patterns should be. And beyond the needlework, this issue brings so much personality. An interview with a wedding cake builder, Miss Jennie's pumpkin pie recipe, and even instructions for cane seat weaving. Each page is a reminder of the creativity and care that defined home life in 1949. Let's turn back the clock and enjoy the heartwarming glimpse into a world of handmade beauty. Thank you for joining me for this vintage flip through of the WorkBasket November 1949. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, please like, subscribe, and check out the playlist for more issues from the 1940s. Thanks for watching.